You open Finder 23 times a day to find files, and those clicks are murdering your career. Rescue Times 2025 data shows Mac users waste an average of 23 minutes daily on file navigation. Convert that to annual cost, that's 73 hours, equivalent to 9 complete workdays. What's more brutal is that this mechanical operation interrupts your flow state every single time. Stanford research confirms that a cluttered desktop raises your stress hormones by 12% and accelerates decision fatigue by 18%. You think you're using a Mac. In reality, Finder is domesticating you into a file farmer, bending over every day, planting, harvesting, repeating manual labor that could be eliminated by a single keyboard shortcut. Those who truly make their Mac work for them have only 9 icons on their desktop. Not because they have fewer files, but because they refuse to enter this death loop from the very beginning. Make AI work for you. I'm Tsui. Today's video isn't about organizing your desktop. When you first opened your Mac, were you shocked by that translucent frosted glass texture? That feeling, like touching the future. But Apple never tells you this. Buried in that interface is a portal that's existed since 1984. It can transform your desktop from a storage room into a private art gallery. And 78% of users, after using Mac for 10 years, don't even know it exists. This isn't a feature. This is aesthetic sovereignty. When you see your colleague's desktop so clean they could screenshot it for Instagram, while yours is too embarrassing to display full screen, in that moment, you're not losing efficiency, you're losing control over your digital space. Now I'm going to tell you the thing that truly changes the game. Not hardware, but an interaction logic that 78% of Mac users have ignored for 40 years, folder alias. Hold Command plus Option and drag any folder to your desktop. What you're creating isn't a copy, but a portal. It records both the file's inode and path information. Even if you move the original folder to an external hard drive, this reference can still track it precisely. What does this mean? You can extract all deep directories, those project folders buried 5 layers deep in ~library/application support/hell, and turn them into 3 minimalist icons on your desktop. Click any one of them, instantly jump to the target directory, 0 cognitive cost. A comment on Hacker News nailed it. Alias is the closest thing to file system teleportation without touching terminal. UX Matters research data is clear. Reducing desktop icons from 50 to 10 improves task switching speed by 18%. Stanford's experiment is even more brutal. A cluttered desktop raises your stress hormones by 12%. You think you just have a messy desktop, but in reality, you're doing 5,000 meaningless visual filtering operations every day. Look. Upper left corner is various AI tools, upper right corner is the project area, lower right corner is references to external hard drive resources, lower left corner is references to various Mac local tools. Yes, I'm even too lazy to open the control panel, haha. March 2024. Reddit user @MinimalistMacUser posted a thread. He did an experiment, using Rescue Time to track his work habits for 30 days. 23 hours, nearly 3 workdays. After he spent less than an hour organizing his desktop, his work efficiency greatly improved. But more importantly, his flow state duration increased by 27%. Because every time he switched tasks, his brain no longer needed to filter 47 irrelevant icons. You might ask, Vincent, I followed your instructions, but why aren't your icons the Mac system defaults? Haha, this stuff is pretty simple. You just need to open an icon website, I'll put it in the video description, then select the icon you want and download the PNG format. Right-click that desktop icon, find Get Info and open it, then Command-C, the PNG image, and Command-V it into the info panel to generate a custom icon. Add a custom background and instantly your Mac desktop becomes a work of art you can screenshot and post on Instagram anytime. Not a trash can. Speaking of external hard drives, I really have to complain about Mac's storage space problem. Apple Support Community, January 2026. A user with a MacBook Pro 14-inch, 300 megabits per second broadband, 2 terabytes of iCloud space, wrote this sentence in a complaint post: sync speed is only a dozen kilobytes per second. A 2 megabyte document takes 10 minutes. I'm really fed up. He did all the tests according to official support. The problem persisted. The final self-rescue solution was only the equally unreliable AirDrop. This isn't a network problem. This is the attention tax you pay for the seamless ecosystem myth. "14 hours of waiting time per year is silently devouring your productivity sovereignty." And the more brutal truth is that 1 terabyte storage upgrade you paid 3,000 yuan for has a hardware cost of only 500 yuan. Apple uses a proprietary interface adapter to harvest a 600% markup. iFixit's CEO put it bluntly: Apple's storage markup is the highest profit margin in consumer tech. Rescue time statistics show iCloud users accumulate 14 hours of waiting time annually. At $50 per hour, that's $700 in hidden losses. And if you're a freelancer who misses a client deadline because of iCloud lag, compensation losses range from $500 to $2,000 per incident. So the correct logic is reversed. The Mac itself only installs the system and core applications. All project files, media libraries, and archived materials go entirely on an external M.2 hard drive enclosure. Add a space, underscore, or hyphen at the beginning of file names so they always display at the top of the list. Whatever files go in automatically position themselves in this download area. Then you manually categorize them where you want. And those frequently used folders, you don't need to open the external hard drive to find them every time. Hold Command plus Option, drag to desktop, generate an alias. This is what I call the clone technique. What you generate on Mac isn't a copy, but a portal. But there's a fatal trap here that 90% of Mac users have stepped on. Alias is Finder specific, tracking based on file ID. Even if you move the original file, it can still find it. But for some external links, you must right-click that folder and pass them the real body for them to find the file. And when you deploy this complete logic system, magic happens. Double-click, Finder flashes for 0.3 seconds, and you're already standing in the project folder. No 5-layer jumps, no search box, no memory burden of where did I put this file. Muscle memory takes over logic, the mouse clicks instinctively, zero cognitive cost. Right-click any file on the desktop, select Get Info. Click the icon thumbnail in the upper left corner. Paste the PNG image you downloaded from the icon website. This system-level customization capability requires Windows users to install third-party software to achieve. That's why I say Mac can truly become a work of art, as long as you learn to use it, haha. After completing these zero-cost operations, your Mac has been reborn. Even the lowest configuration version maximizes the entire Mac's space utilization. The money saved can go directly toward a 2 terabyte external hard drive. Tell me in the comments, which pain point are you going to start with? Desktop organization or the external hard drive solution? If you want some interesting scripts, you can find me on my homepage. It's in the video description. See you next time.